have here today is my SG imitation bass, and we are going to be replacing this pickup. First we need to open this up so we can unsolder all the wires. The reason why I'm going to be doing this and getting rid of these pots is because this EMG pickup comes in a box with all of its wires included, and they also include pots. So you've got brand new pots here that come together with the pickup. And there you go, you've got two pots, all the little fittings that you need. So I'm gonna get rid of everything that's already in this guitar and just connect it with these brand new, inevitably and most definitely high quality bits and pieces. There you go, we got all the wires with connections, so you don't need to be soldering anything. So now that the soldering iron is hot, I'm gonna get these wires removed. The pickups have been disconnected. That's what we have underneath. I can start pulling this, and we have a Wilkinson bridge pickup for a Gibson SG imitation bass guitar. Right, so this will go on my eBay later on, and even if this guitar starts looking a little bit like a little bit more punk, I don't mind. I'm a punk myself. And this is the second pickup. Right, this is what it looks like underneath. And this is the chrome cover for it, so it goes like this. As you can see, this pickup does not fit this hole. It's 8.9 centimeters. So we need to make this hole bigger. Hope for the best. Also, just want to point out, this is a Gibson imitation. I'm not destroying a Gibson. This is what it looks like. It's quite rough, so we have to smooth these corners. It looks pretty terrible. This hole is very badly done, but as I said, I am a punk, and I believe this will sound badass. Now, let's see what we're going to do with these. This white wire that you see here, this is the original earth. I don't think we're going to need it for the new pickup because everything will be included in those little wires there. So now let me clear the station. We're looking at the page where it's only showing the instructions for one pickup only, and we're going to be choosing the option for master tone with volume as well, because there's an option that you can only do it with just with the volume, but I want to have the tone as well. So first step is insert the pickup wire, which is this one here, into the back of the pickup. The red wire on the left hand side. So and it slots right in. Then I'm going to need to put these two through the hole that was there already, hoping that the hole is big enough. Here is the wire from underneath the guitar. Come up from there, right, sweet. Let's leave it like that for now. Fix the pickup. I'm going to put a couple of small pieces of cork underneath so it gives it a little bit of support. Very bad job. I don't care. So far we have connected the pickup cable. So we have one part here and another part there. As you can see here, this double part needs to go to the master volume pot. Now the good thing is that these pots are actually labeled. So there's the tone pot, it says passive tone, and here's the volume pot, it says volume. How easy is that? Now, as you can see here, we need to go into the volume bottom of it. So the volume label needs to be seen. So as it is, we're going with the, as you can see here, the black wire is the one that is at the bottom. So make sure we put the black wire in at the bottom, as so, and you can see the black one is there, the white one is here. Fantastic. Now from the volume pot we need to get to the master tone pot via a little wire. We'll have a few of those, so I'm going to take one of these. There it is. There it is. Again, black one is underneath, so we're connecting it such, and it goes in nicely. Again, you can see black wire is there, the white wire is there. Making sure black, white. There we go. Right. And now this little end here needs to connect to the tone. Here is our tone there on the diagram here. The tone is upside down. So we're going to put this upside down as well. Like that. And we're going to connect there, as it is shown on the diagram. Okay, you see? Perfect. So that only leaves us with another little wire that needs to go from the tone corrector onto the jack. So from underneath here to the jack. So we're putting this little wire, so it's not the same as the previous wire, slightly different. There we go. This little wire goes in here, nice and easy. And these two will go into our jack. I'm not going to put them in just yet. I'm going to put the pots into their slots first. So now let's have a look inside. There they are. Make sure the pot is not turning underneath so I can tighten it up. And now the final part, the jack. So the top one, which is this one here, we have the slot, one of the slots from the battery, which this is the battery bus, okay, and the battery plug, battery adapter. And so this little bit will have to go on there like this, and it slots in absolutely perfectly. Okay, so and in the middle we have the black lead from these two. So we have the black one going in the middle. It goes in nice and easy. Here's the white one from the tone corrector to go into. So here we are. Actually holding it from underneath so it doesn't spin. So we can tighten it up nicely from up here. Nice. Okay, so now we're all plugged in. That's what it looks like inside. We need space for the battery. And also, as you can see on the diagram, there's one bit from the battery that goes into here, which is it's already in. It's already in, but there's one missing, and that one comes straight from the pickup, and it needs to go right next to the battery slot. So the battery slot is at the bottom, coming from the battery, and the top one is from the pickup, and it goes in like so. Boom. So they're both in now. There we go. They're both in. And all we need now is a battery, and we are ready to test this baby. This will have to go. So I can fit a battery. So this is the battery. Rechargeable. Please get rechargeable batteries, boys and girls. Let's save the planet. Once again, this pot is the one that we don't need. Yep, so it's out. So now we should have space for the battery down here. Pretty good. I'm gonna close this. Okay, so we're all done. Okay. This is how to destroy a perfectly normal bass guitar and make it into something very ugly, but much better sounding. And this, my friends, is my new punk looking bass. Nice. All right.